Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'm going to show you how to highlight the active row in Google Sheets, and also how to highlight both the row and column using a simple apps script. First, go to Extensions, then select Apps Script. Delete anything in the editor and paste this code. This script highlights the entire row of whatever cell you click. Just save the project, close Apps Script, and click anywhere in your sheet. It works automatically. If you want to highlight both the row and the column, use this version instead. This one clears previous highlights and then highlights the active row and active column at the same time. Quick note: don't run the script manually. Just save it and start clicking cells in your sheet. I've put both scripts in the description below. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.